Doors clear, moving to the fender. Just watch spark panels loose. Frame solid, good start. Rust here on the frame rail, it's deep. Yeah, it looks bad. Mark it. Mark it down.
The new ventilated rotors slide onto the hubs. Then the brake calipers are mounted and secured. A torque wrench ensures proper bolt tension.
All right, lifts up. Starting on the mounts. Copy. Rails are next. Good progress. Almost clean. Bumpers aligned. Hand me that bolt. Got it. Headlights going in now. Good. Trim next, and we're done.